Chloe and welcome back to Challenges Chloe. In today's video I'll be doing the thick slime tutorial, and how this works is I will be doing basically showing you the simple and easy steps on how to make a ultra thick clear slime. But before we get started, make sure to smash the subscribe button and smash the like button, and let's get started. Okay, and here are the ingredients that are required. You will need some Elmer's clear glue, Elmer's glue all. You don't have to use Elmer's glue all. You can use Elmer's school glue, but it will not be as thick. And you can also use Stay Flow. You can use borax. You can use contact solution, many Tide laundry detergents. You can use many other activators than the one I'm using, but I decided I wanted to use Stay Flow. So let's get on to the tutorial, and I just said that, but it's okay. And food dye is optional. You really don't have to put it. But first I'm going to take my glue all. If I can get it open. I'll be back when I get it open. Okay, so now we're going to take equal parts of Elmer's glue all and Elmer's clear glue. First, we're going to go for our Elmer's clear glue. Probably just going to make a 4 ounce, so I'm going to be very careful. I'm going to take that much of the glue all. Okay, that much of the glue all. Then we're going to do our other half of Elmer's clear school glue. And this one is really good too. It just makes it glossy and extra ultra thick. If you just do glue all by itself, it's really good too, but not as good as. Okay, well, that is it for that. I'll be back when I get a spin. Sorry, I just had to drain out my Stay Flow. So here is the slime so far. I activated it. Not too much. I just need to knead it a lot. Sorry for all the background noises. It's just very loud in my house. So, we got that. Yeah. Just a tad bit, you know, you don't want to. If you overdo this part, then your slime is ruined. Oh, not enough. And it's all sticky. Turn the lights in the night. Sorry, I'm singing. Okay. Okay, let's just finish. I added more since it needed more. And that was probably the last of it. Yep, it's pretty decent. I'll be back once I have it kneaded and stuff. So there was my tutorial on my thick slime, and here's the result. It's amazingly thick. Amazing poke. Amazing bubble pop. And it is so good. Just like to say, it is so thick. There's Luke. And it's so thick and glossy. I just love it. But if you like my video, what should they do? What should they do if they like my video?
Subscribe to their channel.
To my channel?
To subscribe to their channel.
No. Okay, so if you like my video and if you comment down below challengers, then you know what I will do? I will give you guys a shout out in the next video, so you can be part of my challenge squad. So make sure to comment hashtag challengers, and it will be on the screen right here. So you will know what to comment. Make sure to comment that down below. You'll get a shout out in my next video, and you'll be featured. and I'll show you my squad list. And if you do, then go comment. And don't forget to subscribe and like, and bye!